In this channel, we teach Igbo language. In this channel, I help beginners learn how to speak Igbo. Daily words you can use while speaking Igbo language. The words you can use almost all the time when you're speaking Igbo language. Let's go. Good morning. Ibolachi. Good morning. Ibolachi. Good morning is Ibolachi. Ibolachi. That is good morning. Ibolachi. Good morning is Ibolachi. Hi. Ndewo. Ndewo. Hi is ndewo. Hi is ndewo. Ndewo. That is hi. Ndewo. How are you? Kedu ka ị mere? Kedu ka ị mere? How are you? Kedu ka ị mere? How are you? Kedu ka ị mere? You can just say it in a short form. Kedu. Kedu. How are you? Kedu. If you want to complete it, complete the words. Kedu ka ị mere? Kedu ka ị mere? That is, how are you? Kedu ka ị mere? Sorry. Sorry. Ndo. Sorry is ndo. Ndo. That is sorry. Ndo. Thank you. Daalụ. Daalụ. That is thank you. Daalụ. Thank you is daalụ. Daalụ. That is thank you. Daalụ. Daalụ. That is thank you. If you now say thank you very much. Daalụ rinne. Thank you very much. Daalụ rinne. Daalụ rinne. Thank you very much. Daalụ rinne. Well done. Well done. Jishike. Well done is jishike. That is well done. Jishike. Well done is jishike. Well done. Jishike. Well done. Jishike. Jishike. That is well done. Jishike. Please. Biko. Please is biko. Biko is called please. Biko. Biko. Biko is please. Biko. Welcome. No. No. That is welcome. No. Welcome. No. No. That is welcome. No. Goodbye. Kaodi. Kaodi. That is goodbye. Kaodi. Kaodi. Goodbye means kaodi. Wait. Wait. Chere. Wait. Chere. Wait. Chere. Chere. That is wait. Chere. Come. Come. Bia. Come. Bia. Stop. Stop. Kwụsị. Stop. Kwụsị. Stop is kwụsị. Stop is kwụsị. Leave there. Leave there. Pụta ebe ahụ. Leave there. Pụta ebe ahụ. Leave there. Pụta ebe ahụ. This is the end of this video. If you like and enjoy this video, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe to this channel so that anytime I upload a video, you will always be the first to see it. See you guys in my next video. Bye.